Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and what I'm going to show you is this 1998 Lincoln Mark VIII. Now, I actually remember seeing one of these in Hoovies' garage video, and he said this was one of the most bargain luxury cars you can get. Now, this one had newer brakes on it, and it actually doesn't look too rough. A little bit of paint mismatching, but it's got solid rockers. That's pretty good. Being a two-door, it is rather heavy on the door. A digital cluster, so I can't tell the mileage, but then again I can actually. At 185,000 on it. But is that miles? It's probably miles, because this is an American car. Did Hoovie take his car here and scrap it? No, I don't think he did. Memory seats. They are also heated seats, I think. Maybe? I hope. But look at the dash. It's kind of interesting looking, I think, that it's just... This is one of the times where I think the swoopy dash kind of fits in. It flows right into the doors. It looks kind of neat. It's got a JBL audio system in it too. This one's a bit dirty. Not gonna lie, it's kind of trashed. But it's definitely still alright. It's not in bad shape. Wood grain everywhere. Has the 32 valve Intech V8 and the little swoop back here to reminisce the old ones. Now the Intech V8 ouch. Just a second, guys. There we go. Got it. That's a good gas shock. It even says Mark VIII right there. It has a new alternator by the looks of it too. And the Intech V8 was actually a 4.6 liter V8. I think it was a modified 4.6 V8 modular one though. So, I think this one was a bit modified to make more power. So, yeah. Now it is also rear wheel drive, but is it independent or solid rear? It's independent rear suspension. For some reason I always thought these were front wheel drive, but I was wrong, they're not. We'll close up the hood again, just to make sure it doesn't blow open. But new brakes all around, it looks like, or newer. Doors sag like crazy though. But what do you expect for heavy doors, right? I'm not a fan of two-door cars myself, but this is kind of an interesting one. It's definitely not a first choice of mine, but it's definitely not a last choice. Power sunroof. Got all the options. It's old now, and it's kind of a weird styling period for Lincoln. This one didn't really last too long, I don't think, and this was kind of a nail in the coffin design for Ford on the Mark series. But yeah, I think this is the last Mark series too, so. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.